He wanted this.
This is the real Guache. And then we put a
hi-hat.
a hi-hat so it sounds like a...
More HD.
Uh-huh. This is the cumbia. If you hear this, that's cumbia.
When we started the song, we always wanted to put this at the beginning because we wanted to feel very Puerto Rican and very ethnic. Without that channel, you can play without the cuatro. The song feels like a more programmed, empty thing, like more electronic thing. It's cool.
But it's cold.
But it's cool, exactly.
Doesn't have soul.
So compare it.
Has life.
So it's a perfect